This button is fully closed. This button partially opens. You'll notice 3 quarter circles around it. That'll open just a little bit automatically and stop. This setting here with 2 quarter circles around the button opens it another small amount. And then finally, this is your full open with 1 quarter circle. At any given time, you can stop the position by pressing the stop button in the middle. So now I go ahead and hit this all close button, and they will all close. Up top, you notice I'm on channel 4. That's what this particular section is programmed to. Channel 3 is the right side section next to me. Channel 2 is for the lights. And channel 1 makes both sections open and close in sync. This is the one that most people like. So I will go ahead and demonstrate that in another video.